Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin and we have some news to discuss regarding it. Now, the entire crypto market saw a little bit of a crash yesterday where Bitcoin entirely fell from 96,000 all the way down to 93,000. We have since come up to nearly 96 back again. The main reason for that crash was that we had a lot of liquidations just under 95, so we cleared those out. Once we clear liquidations, we usually see a reversal back up, but whilst we're clearing them, we can it can result in a slightly larger drop or increase depending on where the liquidations are, simply because when we clear them, more liquidity gets added into the market and those sells are essentially controlling the market until those whales start buying back and essentially clearing that liquidity again. Now, before we jump into Dogecoin, I want to ask you guys to check out the Discord down below. Inside the Discord, we're sending out trades every single day. You can see on the screen right now just how many of those trades our members are winning. It's absolutely insane. In the Discord, you can not only copy my trades, but you can also copy my long-term portfolio and my trading strategies that I personally use so that you can trade by yourself as well. So yeah, make sure you join up. It'll be the first link in the description. Now, the thing with Dogecoin is that it's the strongest meme coin out of them all, simply because it has the most influential people backing it in the form of President Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and so on and so forth. Now, today obviously Dogecoin isn't performing necessarily really well. Dog with Hat is up 3%, Pepe is up 2%, and Doge is only up 1%. Well, if we actually take a look at the larger sort of picture, Dog with Hat is down over 80% from its highs in November, where it hit $4.60, $4.70. Dogecoin isn't, it hit 48 cents. It's down maybe 50%, but it's overall still majorly up. We went from 9 cents all the way to 40, 50 nearly cents. Now we're at 25, whereas Dog with Hat, its lows are way beneath it. It's 50% down from the lows we had in August, which is insane. So that's another thing to remember. Pepe is practically given up all of its gains. It's down to where it was in October, again in August and July. So a lot of these meme coins have given up a lot of their gains. Even SHIB, this was meant to be a great breakout. It broke out to the upside. If the market was slightly stronger, it should have gone up to maybe 20 here, but instead the market reversed and so did SHIB. So a lot of these meme coins are getting weaker and weaker, and I mean, as long as Dogecoin is able to maintain its strength here, I think it will perform really well, because we have a lot of other newer meme coins, like for example Libra. If we take a look, this is a coin that was essentially an entire rug pull, and yet people were still buying, which is insane to me. We got a rug pull. It was announced that it was a rug pull from the Argentinian president, and people were still buying the dip, and we even went from 25 to 80 cents, but we have now started falling, and it's honestly a coin I'd look to short down to maybe 1 cent or 0 if it goes there, because there's absolutely no reason for it to keep rallying. The only main risk with shorting a coin like this is the sort of retail investors that will just FOMO in and buy it and cause a pump like this, which would obviously cause a bit of pain in the shorts. Other coins like broccoli, this is a coin that I max shorted all the way from like 18 or something cents all the way down to like 10 cents. Then my trade hit stop loss at 10 cents simply because I have a trailing stop loss when I trade. So yeah, that was that. After my trade closed, we went up to like 12, consolidated. Now it's down to 6, so would have made slightly more profit. But again, these coins aren't here to survive, like broccoli, scam token made by scam developers, scam team, everything. So a lot of these coins are very easy to short, as long as you know who the devs are, and even if you don't, 99% of these meme coins will just dump. So they're very easy shorts. Now, the reason I'm talking about other meme coins and not Doge is because if other meme coins are painting a bad picture, then should it not also paint a bad picture for Doge? Well, not entirely. I think Doge has now sort of pivoted away from its meme coin state into more of an altcoin state. We now have, again, like I mentioned at the start of the video, Elon Musk and Donald Trump, who is very good friends with Elon Musk, and an entire department in the government called the Department of Government Efficiency, which literally stands for Doge. It now has some utility behind it, so that's a major thing. Obviously in 21 we had the initial tweets from Elon Musk regarding Dogecoin, which obviously sent it flying. We went from not even a cent all the way up to 75 cents, and this was the first time that anybody really saw how powerful volatile meme coins can be. After that, we obviously fell, and you know, during this entire process, you can actually see when Elon Musk would tweet. We got a tweet here, we got a tweet here. Yeah, anytime you see any sort of these massive pumps is when we got an Elon Musk tweet. Now, the main issue of that is that it waters the effect down. So now that whenever we get an Elon Musk tweet, it's not going to be the same reaction as it was in 21 for multiple reasons. One of them, again, because Doge is an inflationary coin, meaning there's more coins created every single day, meaning there's more buying power needed for it to go up every single day. And the second, because people already know now that Elon Musk likes Dogecoin. So, you know, it's no new news. And I think when we get some new news, that will really cause a massive jump for Doge. Now, we were looking at a few trades here on Dogecoin, you know, at this area for longs. This was meant to be a breakout, retest, and continuation. There was no lower time frame confirmation for us. The way we usually get a lower time frame confirmation would be, for example, we find an order block, a fair value gap created as well. You know, we start coming up like this, and then we hit order block, here's a fair value gap, then we come back down, fill that, this is where our entry would be, and then we ride the trade out. Nothing like that happened, and it's usually best to have it like that, because on a higher time frame, if you're just trying to enter purely off of a retest, very hard, because you don't see what's happening on a lower time frame. On the lower time frame, we could see that there's buyers stepping in at this area, causing momentum shift to the upside again, but we can't see that on the daily. And if you zoom in into the 1 hour, you'd see that that didn't happen. Instead, we just continued down and essentially created a new downtrend, which it's now, you know, sort of breaking out from, which is good to see. Once we break, I'll remove that, once we break this high, you know, maybe we'll start a new uptrend and start trending back up to 27 cents. We're quite close to being there. I think Bitcoin now should start mooning. The S&P yesterday also hit a new all-time high, just barely. Great to see. You know, this should continue today to the upside and continue mooning. If that is the case, hopefully Bitcoin is able to follow along. Again, when the S&P moves, Bitcoin moves, apart from this week and last week for some reason. But yeah, hopefully that does happen, and we do have a continuation. We still have a lot of liquidations at 110,000, which we need to clear, so that's probably going to be our next target. And again, I think on Bitcoin we saw a similar crash to what we usually see, which is at 230 right here. You know, the market falls, so this could be another trade for you guys. If you're interested, then 2:30 p.m. or whenever the stock market opens for you at your time, just short, easy gains, I think. So yeah, that practically summarizes it. Now, if you do need a place to trade cryptocurrency, then check out all the exchanges we're using down below. It's all the exchanges that I personally use, and when you use my links, you will not only get some sign-up bonuses, but you'll also get lower fees. So yeah, make sure you do that. If you want to learn trading strategies or copy my own trades, then check out the Discord down below. We have an amazing community, and if you're not enjoying it at any time for any reason, then you can cancel it at absolutely any time. You know, if you join and you're not liking it, just cancel. So yeah, make sure you join up. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.